The video just stopped, so we continue with question number 5. In question number 5 we have PQS in alternate angle. Because it is a trapezium, PQ is parallel to SR, so alternate angles, the alternate angles are congruent, and angle P is congruent to R, Q congruent to S, and angle PAQ is congruent to RAS, vertically opposite angle, and therefore the triangle PQA is similar to RSA by angle test of similarity, and hence PQ upon RS, we always take the first two of both, then the second two, QA upon SA, and then the first and last, is PA upon RA. Now instead of QA in the text we have, in the question we have AQ, so we write AQ instead of QA, it is AQ, since it's a segment and a side. Similarly PA, AP we can write, and AS and AR we can write, and then we substitute AQ. What is given is AQ is equal to AS is equal to 5 times AQ. So AS upon AQ upon AS, in place of AS we have substituted 5 AQ since it is given, and AR is 5 times AP, and therefore AP gets cancelled, we get 1 upon 5, and here PQ upon RS is equal to 1 upon 5. So when we cross multiply it, RS into 1 is RS, and PQ into 5 is 5 times PQ. So RS is equal to 5 times PQ, hence it is proved. Now we come to the next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is also a trapezium, so we can use the same concept and solve it. In trapezium ABCD, figure 1.60, AB is parallel to CD and diagonals are AC and BD, therefore it intersects in O. Now what is given? AB is 20, the values are given, DC is 6 and OB is 15. We have to find OD. Now since I have already explained you, CD is parallel to AB, so if BD is a trapezium, this is a trapezium. If we consider CA as a transversal for these two parallel lines, then in pocket of Z, DCA will be congruent to CAB. So in pocket of Z, these angles are congruent, and therefore the two triangles are similar. Which triangle? CDO is similar to ABO. Now you have to keep 1-to-1 correspondence. C corresponds to A, D corresponds to B, and O corresponds to O. So we write down that which two triangles are similar. You can write down triangle COD, you can write COD is similar to, C corresponds to A, AOB. And then if we consider the similar triangles, the sides are in proportion. So which side is given? CD is given and AB is given. So CD upon AB is equal to OD upon OB is equal to OD upon AB. So you can write down, but begin with first two letter, that is CO upon AO is equal to OD upon OB is equal to CD upon AB, and we substitute and we get the value of OD. Now let us discuss question number 7. Question number 7, see the figure. Here also same concept. A, B, C and D is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel, and line DE intersects ray AB in T, and we have to prove that DE is equal to BE. Now here, because this AD is parallel to BC, again we have considered, if you see, it is parallel, BE will be parallel to AD, and therefore by BPT we can have TB upon BA or AB upon BT is equal to DE upon TE. I'll write down AB upon BT is equal to DE upon ET or TE. Okay. Now, this is one thing. Secondly, angle A and angle C, both opposite angles are congruent because they are a parallelogram. Angle A is congruent to angle C. Similarly, when you see this, these two are vertically opposite angles, and we have angle D is congruent to angle E also. Angle A, since AD is parallel to BC, angle A is congruent to angle B, both are corresponding angles, right? So write down all the possibilities of these and then see what is the common. This is one ratio we got, another ratio will be, this is by BPT we got one ratio, the second ratio will be these two triangles are similar. Triangle DEC will be similar to which triangle? One of this triangle. Please write down the, I will not give you the ready-made answer now. You have to develop the answer. I will discuss question number 8 also. I will give you the answer later. You can write down or find out the answer. Now similarly in question number 8, I am taking the questions which have same concept of something or the other is parallel. Now if you look at this figure also, immediately in figure AC and BD intersect each other in point P, and what we have, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, and we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Can you do that, children? Since one side is already in proportion, two sides are in proportion, and the angle P is a vertically opposite angle. Sides are in proportion given, and vertically opposite angles is also given, and AP upon CP is equal to DP upon PD. So by side angle side test of similarity, the two triangles are similar. Please write it down. Now see question number 9. In triangle ABC, point D is on BC such that BAC is equal to ADC. This angle, big angle BA and C, you have to break it up. BA and C is equal to ADC. A, this is D and this is C. A, D and C. The bigger angle is congruent to this other part A, D and C. So angle A and angle D are same. Okay, congruent here given. Now you will see that angle C is a common angle. Angle C is common to both this big triangle BAC and the other triangle ADC. BAC, A is congruent to D. Angle A is congruent to this angle D, and C is a common angle. Now you have to prove AC square is equal to this. Can you write down the proportional sides? What will be the proportional sides from here? It will be BA, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon DC is equal to BC upon AC. Now if you consider this, we get AC into cross multiply, we get AC square is equal to BC, I can write it as CB into DC. Since ABCD, C comes before D, and this is what we wanted to prove. So don't keep any fear of proof first of all, because all the proofs we have to develop using the properties which we have studied in standard 9, parallelogram, trapezium, all these, that lesson, just go through that lesson and apply it on BPT, similarity. These concepts are applied on it. Please complete exercise practice set 1.3. Thank you, children.